Mantis shrimp, the ocean's punching powerhouse. Deep beneath the ocean lives one of the most extraordinary predators on Earth, the mantis shrimp. Despite its name, it is neither a mantis nor a shrimp, but a unique marine crustacean belonging to the order Stomatopoda. One of the most mind-blowing things about the mantis shrimp is its vision. Humans can see just 3 color channels: red, green, and blue. The mantis shrimp, it can detect 12 to 16 different channels, including ultraviolet and polarized light. To us, the ocean is blue, but to a mantis shrimp, it's a rainbow of hidden colors. But what really makes it famous is its incredible punch. Some species, known as smashers, strike with club-like claws that accelerate as fast as a bullet, nearly 50 miles per hour. The force is so strong it creates cavitation bubbles, tiny shock waves that generate heat, light, and pressure, stunning or even killing prey instantly. Even if the strike doesn't land, the shock wave alone can do the job. Others, called spearers, have sharp claws designed to impale soft-bodied prey. Their favorite meals include crabs, mollusks, and snails, which they can crack open with ease. Aquarists even call them tank smashers because some have shattered aquarium glass with a single strike. Living up to 20 years, the mantis shrimp is not only a symbol of raw power, but also of scientific wonder. From inspiring superhero powers to advancing research in vision and physics, this tiny warrior proves that nature still holds secrets more powerful than fiction.